Hello my friends! Today I'm going to share with you my coconut pie or buko pie recipe. Buko pie is one of the all-time favorite pasalubong. This is sweet and rich pie that is made from young coconut meat. For the crust, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 60 grams of vegetable shortening, 30 grams of unsalted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of fresh milk. The dough is still a little bit dry, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. Knead the dough for at least 10 minutes, then let it rest for 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, we can now make the filling. We're going to need 1 cup of coconut water, 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, 1/2 cup of condensed milk. If you want more sweeter, adjust the condensed milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Make sure you use pure vanilla extract. 600 grams of young coconut meat. I use the whole coconut meat in here instead of shredded because it is better when it is cooked. Then add 1 piece of egg. Mix it, then turn the stove on. Finish with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The dough should be ready now. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the table so that it will not stick when we have to knead again. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. You can use your rolling pin to flatten each dough.